Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Nipigon, a small town on the north shore of Lake Superior in Ontario. The name Nipigon comes from the Ojibwe word Nipigon, which means at continuous water. This town has always been tied to the water, with the Nipigon River known for its world-class brook trout fishing. In the late 1800s, the town grew as a hub for the railway and logging industries, bringing settlers and workers to the area. You can still see signs of that history in the old railway bridges and local museums. Nipigon is also home to the iconic Nipigon River Bridge, the only cable-stayed bridge on the Trans-Canada Highway. The town is surrounded by rugged cliffs, thick forests, and endless lakes, making it a paradise for outdoor lovers. Whether you're here for the history, the scenery, or the fresh northern air, Nipigon is a place that welcomes you with endless horizons. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Nipigon, Ontario. Thanks for watching.